Hi, I'm Tiffany and today we're going to be talking about where you should focus your energy when it comes to attracting more potential clients through your website. So you've relied up until now on word of mouth to get new clients, and you are ready to use your website that is literally sitting there gathering dust in the internet world and not doing anything. You're not getting any leads, you're not getting any phone calls, emails, forms filled out, nothing's happening. So I want to go through 3 quick points that you need to know and need to focus on to ensure that your website actually is set up for capturing new clients. So the first one is one that people really tend to skip, and that is be clear who your ideal client is and tailor your messaging to that particular person you have in mind. A lot of people will just put anything on their website, on their social media posts, on their blog content or whatever. If you do not know who your ideal client is, you are wasting your time creating all sorts of content. You need to know what their dreams are, what they're struggling with, what does their everyday life look like? You know, do they have children? Are they married? Do they, what happens when they wake up in the morning? What happens when they go to sleep at night? And give that person a name so that when you are writing on your website, be it the actual website content or a blog post or a social media post or even a video, like a short little video, you know who you are talking to and you understand what they're struggling with, and then you can help them. You can see how your services and your products actually help them in their everyday lives. So very important you know who your ideal client is. Number 2, your website should be beautiful, but it also should work. It should be effective and producing leads and clients. So there are lots of different elements that your website needs to have to ensure this. I have created a 5-part, very short, bite-sized and actionable mini course, mini training on what your website should have, what 5 elements your website should have, plus a cheat sheet. So you know if you are building a new website, if you're changing your current one, or you just looking at your old one and you need to see what needs to be changed, I highly recommend that you go through my short little videos that shows exactly what elements you need to have on your website to ensure that when people are visiting your website, that they actually take action and become a lead or a client. So you need to be able to have your website set up that tells them to do something, not that just look and read and do nothing and leave. You know, you want them to either sign up to your database, your email list, download a lead magnet, send you an email, call you, fill out a form. There's lots of different things that you can get people to do, but you need to tell them to do it. So check out these 5 secrets of a high converting website that I have created for you. It will be under tiffanycaruso.com/5 secret signups. I will include the link in the comments and description of this video. And then lastly, number 3 that you need to look at is your lead magnet. I highly recommend every single website to have at least 1 lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something that you use that's very actionable and quick win for your visitor that they can then implement and solve an immediate problem that they might have now. And in return, they will give you their email address. So they sign up to download or get access to this lead magnet. The lead magnet can be a very quick cheat sheet, checklist, quiz, short video. There's lots of different variations of lead magnets that you can use. And the joy of it is that they give you their email address. And then with that email address, you can communicate with them via email. So be it sending them blog content, introducing yourself, your services, how you can help them, testimonials, case studies, new video content, new blog posts that you're writing. It's a way of having a dialogue with an audience that is already interested in you because they've already had an experience with you. So that is what I feel you should be focusing right now if you want your website to be attracting more leads or converting more leads and clients. Just to recap, number 1 is know who you're talking to. exactly who is this ideal client and tailor your messaging online to that particular person. Secondly, make sure that your website is pretty, beautiful, but that actually works. It's effective at converting those visitors into leads and clients. And lastly, ensure you have lead magnets on your website. So even if you share a blog post and they go to your website to read the blog post, they then want to sign up to your database. So those are the 3 points. Thank you for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, if you have found it valuable, please subscribe so you can get some more notifications when my next videos are up. I try and do this on a weekly basis. I will be having some live videos thrown in there as well so that we can have some live interaction. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know if you liked it, and if I can help you with anything else, I would love to have a little dialogue with you. Okay, bye for now.